Hello everyone. The point of sale log period app helps user to log the point of sale for certain time or period. After installing this module, we can see an option named log point of sale in the point of sale configuration. So let's get into the point of sale. Under configurations, we can see an option for log point of sale. Let's get into that. So from here in the tree view, user can see in log name, configuration, log type. Based on the type, the fields will be auto-filled. Like if it is a time, you can see in start time and end time. If it is a date, you can see in log start date as well as the end date. If it is a date time, you can see that thing in the date time here. And if it is a day, you can see the day right away here. So this is the one which I have already created. So let's get into it. So from here in the log point of sale form page, we can see an name, and here we can choose an shop. Okay, right away here we can choose and type. So the type may be the time, date, time and days. If it is a time, you can select a time right away here. If it is a date, you can select end date, start date and end date right away here. If it is a date time, you can select a date and time at the same time. You can see and date as well as the time. You can select a start time and as well as the end date time. Okay. So if it is a based on day, you can select a day here, right? So let's choose the time now. Okay, and from here you can see I have selected the time as 1 to 5 and now the time is 3:40. So if it is in 3:40, it will raise a warning to the user who didn't have any access to get into the point of sale without our permission. Okay, so here you can see in lock allowed user. So if it is enabled, you can see in only and mark demo user have an access to get into that point of sale session which we have selected there. Okay, and here we can see in time zone. I have selected the time zone right away here, right now. So from here I have resetted it to the draft. So once you have created, it will be in the draft state. Okay, after getting approved, you can see and created by will be automatically fetched once you have saved that particular log point of sale session that we have created. Okay, and also the create date is also automatically fetched. So once you have get approved, you can see the stages will be get changes to the approved state, and also you can see and who is approved. You can see the approved by also, then approved date can also be seen here. Okay, now if I have click on the lock period active, you can see and it will be in the state of lock period active. Now it is in the active state. Okay, and you can see who is active and also on which date that process will be in the active state. You can see that active date right away here. So from here I am in the login of Mitchell admin. Let's try by getting into it. So once you click on the new session option, user can see an validation error. You cannot allow to open or resume the session during this period of time. That is that we have set, right? So now let's add that particular user into the same session. So for example, if I have add in Mitchell admin here, okay. Now let's get into an point of sale. Yes, now we can see we are getting into the point of sale without any issues. That is, when a normal point of sale user tries to resume the point of sale, will get an error pop-up message that we have seen now. So in this way, we can make use of this module to lock the point of sale for certain time or period. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and point of sale related modules, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.